Hi, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm going to go over the 3 reasons why you might be struggling to lose the weight. So maybe you've recently tried to lose weight, or maybe you've been trying to lose weight for a while, and you've been eating healthy, and you've been working out, and you've been doing all the things that you know you should be doing, but the scale's not going down and the inches aren't going down and you're just having trouble losing weight, then you're gonna wanna stay tuned for today's video because I'm gonna be talking about the 3 things that you might be struggling with in order to lose the weight. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous and I make videos like this every single week. And my whole goal is to teach women how to lose weight for good in a healthy and sustainable way so they can have more energy and have more confidence and just feel so good in their skin. Now, I like to do lots of really fun things on my YouTube channel. I have delicious recipes and I do fun reviews and I love teaching women just like you the real way to actually lose weight. So if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! And that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you're ready to learn the 3 reasons why you might be struggling to lose weight, then let's get started. So let's get into the first reason why you might have trouble losing weight. And that is because you have bad gut health. Now you're probably thinking like, okay, I don't really get it. What does gut health have to do with losing weight? And it actually has like a lot to do with losing weight. So when you have bad gut health, that means that you actually have more bad bacteria in your gut than good bacteria. So it can be caused from like a few different reasons. It could be like the bad food that we eat. So maybe we're eating like a lot of fast food, or a lot of processed food, or a lot of fried food, or maybe we're drinking a lot of alcohol, maybe we're stressed. So all these things can really lead to like an overgrowth of the bad bacteria in our gut as opposed to like the good bacteria. So when you have a lot of bad bacteria in your gut, it can cause you to be like kind of tired and sluggish and have like brain fog, and it can actually like prevent you from losing weight. It can actually like inhibit your body from like absorbing some like the good nutrients from our food. It can cause a lot of like bloating, gas, digestive issues, maybe you have trouble going to the bathroom, which is all not good when we're trying to lose weight. So what we need to do is we need to have more good guys or like good bacteria in our gut as opposed to like the bad bacteria. Good bacteria can come from like a few different things. It can come from like probiotics. So it's always good to have like yogurt as long as it doesn't have like a ton of sugar in it. Sugar is like not good for the gut. You can have fermented foods. So kind of like sauerkraut and kombucha, however you want to say it. It's like this weird kind of like fizzy drink. Tastes pretty good. I kind of like it. So basically what you want is like gut friendly foods that are actually going to help like heal your gut and like promote more of that like good bacteria in your gut. So what I like to use, because I don't tend to eat yogurt like every day or sauerkraut every day, is I like to actually take a gut health supplement. Now you guys have probably seen me talk about like the Opti Greens 50 before. Now, when you first hear the name Opti Greens 50, you automatically think like it's a green supplement, but it's way more than a green supplement. It's actually like a gut health supplement. So it does have 8 organic like grasses and greens, but it does have a ton of stuff that is super, super good for your gut. So it has like a probiotic blend, which is key, especially for your gut, because you want like all the good bacteria in there, right? It's got a plant enzyme blend, which is good for like those like digestive enzymes. And it actually has like a glycemic balance blend, which is really key, especially when you're trying to lose weight. Now, the other cool thing about this is that the probiotic blend is like the probiotics in here are like micro encapsulated. I don't know if you guys know what that is. So basically all the probiotics in there have this like little like protective covering in it. It actually like preserves the probiotics in here for like the entire shelf life. So sometimes when you actually get like probiotics from like a bottle, even though it says like 1 billion or like 60 billion or whatever billion, as time goes on, because it's on the shelf for so long, it actually like decreases like the probiotics, and it's just like not as good as time goes on. But because this is like micro encapsulated, like it has its own little capsule on like each of the probiotic, it actually is gonna preserve most of the probiotics, so you know that you're getting like a good quality product. Anyways, that's what I like to take. It's basically 2 scoops, you just mix it with water, and it tastes pretty good. I mean, it tastes like greens, but in my mind, I find it really helps. If you guys have any questions at all on gut health, just let me know in the comment section down below. Plus, if you are interested in kind of like a mini recipe book on like gut health recipes, anybody who actually purchases a Opti Greens 50, just reach out to me, message me, and I'll make sure that you guys get that little recipe book. We are on to reason number 2 why you might be struggling to lose the weight. And that is because you are not eating enough protein in a day. I know I talk about protein all the time, but it's uber important, especially when you're trying to lose weight. Protein is literally like the building blocks for our body. Like it's so important. If we don't eat enough protein, basically what our body's gonna do, it's gonna start breaking down our lean muscle mass and just using it for all the essential systems in our body. Now, when it comes to losing weight, protein is also key because of course, it's gonna help like preserve your lean muscle mass, because you wanna make sure that you're eating enough protein so you still have all that muscle, right? Because muscle means that you have higher metabolism because you're burning more calories, which in turn will turn you into like a fat burning machine. So when you have muscle, you can burn more fat, burn more calories, which is basically what we want. Plus, when you eat enough protein, it helps keep you fuller for longer. So you're gonna stay full for a longer period of time. If you're not eating enough protein, you're just gonna be starving all the time. And it can help reduce cravings because again, because you're eating enough protein, you're not as hungry as often, and it's just gonna help reduce cravings, A, because you feel satisfied, and B, because it actually helps to like stabilize your blood sugar, which again is super key when it comes to losing weight. Now you might be thinking, okay, I know protein is important, but how much protein should I actually be eating in order to lose weight? Which is a really important question. Now, this actually depends because everybody is different depending on like what your goal is. General rule of thumb is whatever your goal weight is, you should basically be eating or trying to eat at least 1 gram of protein per goal body weight. So because my goal body weight is 140 pounds, I should be eating at least 140 grams of protein per day. Now, you're probably thinking, that seems like a lot of freaking protein. But at the end of the day, it's good for you, it's good for your hormones, it's good for your entire body, it's good for your hair, skin, nails, it's good for everything. Our bodies need that much protein. Now, if you have trouble figuring out how much protein you should be eating in a day, or you think it's too much, or you think it's too little, or if you have any questions about protein, definitely reach out to me. You can comment down below and message me, or you can just find me on Instagram and message me as well. And then I can definitely get you set up and make sure that you know how much protein you should be eating in a day. We are on to reason number 3 why you might be struggling to lose the weight. And that is accountability. So I know for me, if I'm not accountable to anyone or a group or whatever, like I kind of slack off a little bit. So I find that like accountability is huge when it comes to weight loss. So finding an accountability partner or an accountability group or an accountability coach or whatever it is definitely gonna help you stay accountable to your goals. It's gonna help keep you on track. It's gonna help you like pivot if you need to pivot in certain ways because things definitely tend to like come up. Plus, it's always good to have an accountability partner for days that you like kind of feel a bit shitty and a bit down, or maybe you're excited because you like crushed your goal or you did something that you didn't think you could do, you know what I mean? It's always good to have an accountability partner for those kind of things. Now, I do have a Facebook group. If you guys are not in there, be sure to join the Facebook group. It's called the Fit and Fab Weight Loss Community for Women. There will actually be like a link down below so you guys can check that out. Be sure to join the Facebook group. I love my Facebook group. I love the ladies in it. I find it keeps me accountable because I post in there basically what I'm doing every single day. Even if I'm tired and I don't feel like it, I'm like, no, I need to be accountable to my ladies. So basically that is my way of like staying accountable to my goals and basically what I am doing. Now, if you guys are looking for more like personalized like accountability, I do some coaching. So there will be a link down below that you guys can check that out. So this is where I do like weekly assessments with my ladies. We kind of make sure that they're on a plan that kind of fits them. I help keep them accountable to like their goals, as well as they can ask me questions anytime. So if you do need somebody to kind of like keep you on your toes and kind of like keep you motivated and kind of keep you engaged, then you can definitely check out like the personalized coaching down below. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't be afraid to like reach out. Find me on Instagram. You can find me in the Facebook group. You can ask me questions. It's all good. Anyways, I hope you have an amazing day and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, love you.